Okay, I'm making you a video because I'm not sure if you've done Shopify before. So once I add you as my admin, you're gonna go to products, and this is way easier than what you used to do because I only have one picture. So click on add product, the title, you're gonna copy it from here, but do not copy the free shipping. Okay? You don't have to copy the color because you're gonna put multiple colors anyway. So just copy the title. That's it. The same thing with the description. Copy the whole description. Now when you paste it here, you see how it's all in the same. Um, do a space after just ask. So it breaks it down into two. And then here, make sure you have it as active. This way it posts it right away. Okay, and then image. That's the only image. Now price is going to be the same as I have it on Facebook. So I have it, $7. Okay, scroll down. And then I'm not tracking, so it's gonna be physical weight. You could put 0.6 ounces. Country of origin, United States. Okay, and then this product has an option, which is the colors. So there will always be 10 colors that you will add. You could just write them down. Okay, so I listed 10 colors. Okay, and then just save. And just make sure you always mark it as active instead of draft. And then you're done with it, and then you go to another one.